The DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the most eagerly awaited drone releases of 2025, capturing the attention of both drone enthusiasts and content creators worldwide. Scheduled for release in the summer of 2025, the Mini 5 Pro is set to be a significant evolution in DJI's ultra-lightweight drone lineup. With a series of impressive upgrades and new features, this drone is expected to set a new standard in the compact drone category, all while maintaining its lightweight design under the 250 grams threshold. According to leaks and reports from trusted sources like Digital Camera World and Drone XL, the Mini 5 Pro is poised to feature groundbreaking technologies, enhanced imaging capabilities, and advanced AI-powered features that will make it an industry leader in its class. DJI, known for pushing the boundaries of drone technology, appears to be preparing for another major leap forward with this model. One of the most anticipated upgrades in the DJI Mini 5 Pro is the camera sensor. Leaks suggest that the drone will be equipped with a 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from the 0.3-inch sensor found in its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro. This enhancement is expected to drastically improve the overall image quality, making the Mini 5 Pro an ideal choice for photographers and content creators who demand professional-grade performance from a compact drone. A larger sensor allows for better low-light performance, increased dynamic range, and sharper details in both photos and videos. For users who require high-quality aerial shots, the ability to shoot with a 1-inch sensor in a drone under 250 grams is a remarkable feat of engineering. This upgrade will make high-quality drone photography and videography more accessible to a wider audience, while providing the flexibility needed for a variety of creative projects. In addition to the improved camera sensor, the gimbal system of the Mini 5 Pro is set to undergo significant advancements. DJI is reportedly introducing a new and innovative gimbal design that not only stabilizes the camera more effectively but also allows for vertical shooting modes. This feature caters specifically to social media content creators, especially those who focus on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, where vertical video formats are popular. The ability to shoot vertically without the need for cropping or digital manipulation of the footage will ensure that users can maintain the highest possible resolution and image quality. This could be a game changer for influencers and content creators who rely on their drones to capture professional-level footage optimized for mobile-first audiences. Another exciting feature that the Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer is the ability to tilt the camera straight upward, an industry first for the Mini series. This new capability will open up a host of creative possibilities by allowing drone pilots to capture unique angles and perspectives that were previously impossible with DJI's ultralight drones. Whether shooting overhead scenes, landscapes, or even aerial portraits, this added flexibility in camera movement will enhance the dynamic nature of aerial cinematography, giving creators more control over their shots and enabling them to craft immersive, visually captivating footage. Beyond its camera system, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to have an impressive operational range of up to 25 kilometers, a notable improvement over its predecessors. This extended range will allow drone pilots to explore more extensive areas without the fear of losing connection with the drone, making it an ideal option for landscape photographers, adventure enthusiasts, and professionals who need greater coverage for their projects. Whether capturing vast natural landscapes, filming distant subjects, or documenting an adventure, the added range will give users the freedom to explore new shooting locations with confidence, knowing they can capture stunning imagery from farther distances. Combined with an impressive flight time of up to 50 minutes, the Mini 5 Pro is set to become one of the longest-lasting drones in its category. The extended battery life means fewer interruptions during flights and more opportunities to capture the perfect footage in a single session, a key advantage for creators who rely on long flight times to complete their projects. Safety and obstacle avoidance have also received major upgrades in the DJI Mini 5 Pro. The drone is expected to feature a new and advanced LiDAR system, which, along with dual front-facing wide-angle sensors and inward-position black sensors, will significantly improve the Mini 5 Pro's navigation capabilities. This advanced technology will help the drone detect and avoid obstacles with greater accuracy, even in complex environments like dense forests or urban landscapes. The use of LiDAR technology, which is commonly found in self-driving cars and high-end drones, will provide the Mini 5 Pro with enhanced depth perception, making it an incredibly reliable option for both beginner and experienced drone pilots. These upgrades will also reduce the risk of accidental crashes, allowing users to fly with greater peace of mind in challenging environments. Another intriguing rumor surrounding the Mini 5 Pro is the possible inclusion of onboard audio recording, a feature that is uncommon in consumer drones. This addition could provide significant value to vloggers and filmmakers who rely on their drones to capture both visual and ambient audio for their projects. The ability to record sound directly on the drone could open up new possibilities for storytelling, allowing users to capture natural sound, commentary, or even voiceover directly into their footage without needing additional audio recording equipment. This feature would make the Mini 5 Pro an even more powerful tool for aerial cinematography, providing creators with a one-stop solution for both visual and audio capture. In addition to the enhanced camera and safety features, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to include precision landing sensors and an LED ground illumination system. These features will help ensure safe and accurate landings, especially in low light conditions or at night. The LED ground illumination system will not only improve the drone's visibility during nighttime flights but will also give the Mini 5 Pro a futuristic, high-tech appearance. These advancements will make the drone more user-friendly across various lighting conditions, ensuring that pilots can safely take off and land in a wider range of environments. AI-powered tracking is another area where the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to excel. DJI has been focusing heavily on AI-driven autonomy in recent years, and the Mini 5 Pro will reportedly feature advanced AI tracking capabilities. This will enhance both ease of use and creative flexibility, allowing the drone to automatically follow a subject with precision, execute complex flight paths for cinematic shots, and intelligently recognize and avoid obstacles. The use of AI will make the drone more intuitive and capable of delivering professional-level shots, even for beginners who may not have experience flying drones. With AI-powered features, users can expect smoother, more natural movements in their footage, allowing for a more cinematic and immersive viewing experience. Despite the wealth of rumors and leaks surrounding the Mini 5 Pro, some uncertainty remains about its final specifications and release date. There have been hints from less-known sources on social media platforms like X suggesting that the release of the Mini 5 Pro could be delayed until late 2025, instead of the anticipated summer launch. While this information has not been confirmed, it does raise questions about whether DJI will be able to meet its expected timeline. As with all leaked details, it is possible that some of these features could change by the time the Mini 5 Pro is officially announced. Nevertheless, the anticipation surrounding this drone is palpable, and while there may be some skepticism about the release, it's clear that the Mini 5 Pro is set to push the boundaries of what ultralight drones can achieve. When it comes to drone technology, DJI has continually led the charge in innovation, and the Mini 5 Pro is no exception. By combining a larger sensor, an innovative gimbal system, enhanced range, longer flight times, and advanced AI capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro promises to be a standout product in a crowded market. For drone enthusiasts, photographers, and content creators, the Mini 5 Pro represents an exciting leap forward in the world of lightweight, portable drones, offering an unparalleled blend of performance, convenience, and cutting-edge technology. As we await its official release, one thing is clear: the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changing drone, and its impact on the drone industry could be profound.